How to fix your Facebook Messenger keep loading error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Facebook Messenger getting stuck on the loading screen. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to General. Under General, head over to iPhone Storage. And under there, what you might want to do is search for Messenger. Now, before this, you also might want to check for your internet connection and make sure that you have a really strong internet connection. If you do have an internet connection and it's strong, check to just refresh it from your background and check if it works. If it does not work, head over to your iPhone storage, head over to Messenger and tap on Offload app. Offload your app completely and then reinstall it. What this will do is this will completely erase your cache memory, and then you can relog in. You can just head over to your Messenger and use it. So that should fix your problem, guys. But if that does not fix your problem, head over to your app store and look out for updates. So it might be causing due to any bugs in your Messenger. So head over to your Messenger app on your app store and check if there is an update. If there is an update, make sure that you update to the latest version, and yeah, that should just fix the bug for you and you're basically good to go. So yeah, that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.